Understanding task completion, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and use of the phrase, task completion. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, understanding such phrases is crucial for effective communication. So, let's dive in. Task completion refers to the successful finishing of a task or assignment. This phrase is often used in various contexts like work, school, or daily life. It implies not just finishing a task, but completing it satisfactorily and fulfilling all its requirements. To better understand this phrase, let's look at some examples. 1. In a work environment, my manager praised me for the task completion of the project ahead of the deadline. 2. In school, task completion of homework assignments is crucial for good grades. 3. In daily life, the task completion of daily chores helps keep the house organized. Task completion is important because it demonstrates responsibility, efficiency, and reliability. It's not just about finishing a task, but doing it well. It can affect work performance, shows professionalism and dedication, academic success, crucial for learning and grades, personal goals, helps in achieving personal objectives and maintaining order. Understanding and mastering the concept of task completion is essential for your success in any field. It's a valuable skill that reflects your commitment and ability to handle responsibilities. We hope this video has been informative and helpful in your English learning journey. Keep practicing, and you'll surely excel. See you in the next video.